Increasing manufacturing productivity while reducing carbon emissions is a key challenge of the 21st century. High-efficiency, servo-driven motors with precise position and torque control enable faster machining of complex components. This drives factory throughput, optimizing overall energy usage. For precise position control using magnetic, optical and resolver encoders, precision signal conditioning and conversion technology from analog devices accurately measures small magnitude signals in noisy industrial environments. This provides accurate and repeatable rotating shaft position information, critical for repetitive tasks like robotics or pick-and-place machines. New innovations like ADI's GMR multi-turn angle sensor tracks position information even when power is lost. Combine this with MEMS vibration sensors to monitor motor health and optimize system performance in real time. Efficiently power your encoder with ADI's multi-rail LDOs, addressing the thermal challenges of high-density, small form factor encoder design. While reliable data connectivity over long cable runs is delivered with ADI's high common mode transient immunity, half and full duplex RS485 transceivers. Boost the performance of your position encoder and increase manufacturing productivity today with ADI, your co-creation partner of choice. To learn more, visit analog.com/position encoder.